there's a lot of confusion at the operations level. They're like, hey, I feel like this is kind of some black magic here because we'll be over blending and we'll dial it back and then we'll say everything's okay now. But then a few weeks later, we're getting RVPs of, that exceed our tolerances, and then it's mostly because the mixture is really too high, so we dial it back.
If your RVP results feel like black magic, you're definitely not alone. At our latest workshop, multiple companies ran into the exact same blending roadblocks. But you don't have to guess. From older generations to the absolute newest models, our in-house experts teach your team how these units work from the inside out. Drop a comment below to get your team trained.